Everybody, welcome back to Wealth Wednesdays. My name is Janine Rogan, and today we're going to be talking about home equity lines of credit. A home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC, is a revolving credit product that's available for Canadian homeowners up to a certain value of their home. Now, home equity lines of credit have a maximum loan value of 65% of the value of your home, but your financial institution may take into account other factors when deciding whether or not to approve you for a home equity line of credit. Now, you can use a home equity line of credit for a variety of different things, and the great thing about them is that you can pull on them when you need, and you don't necessarily have to take out a lump sum loan. You can just pull off of that home equity line of credit as needed, and you'll only be charged interest on what you're using. So if you have a $100,000 home equity line of credit and you only are leveraging $20,000 of that, the interest charge will only be for the amount outstanding that you borrowed from the home equity line of credit. Now, we need to be careful with home equity lines of credit because our home is not an ATM. So we don't want to be using this for our day-to-day expenses. These were really designed to help you renovate your house or perhaps finance a larger purchase that you'll be paying back over a period of time. In most cases, these home equity lines of credit have a variable rate, which, as we know, we've seen rates lately going up in 2022 across Canada and the US, which means that payment is going to be a lot larger. In addition to this, the interest rate is probably going to be higher, and if the Bank of Canada decides to increase the interest rates again later this year, then your rate will likely go up as well. With a home equity line of credit, you typically only have to pay the interest payment every month for the amount that you borrowed, but I do recommend making sure that you are paying down that principal as well so that you don't have a huge lump sum payment at the end. Home equity lines of credit can be a great tool if you're using them responsibly, but you also want to make sure that you're not over leveraged and have too many debt payments on a monthly basis. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I will see you next week.